In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to upgrade the firmware when you first get your M5 core device or whenever you want it to download the latest firmware for your M5 device. Before upgrading the firmware, we need to download two things, the USB driver and the burner tool. First, install the USB driver. Open up your browser and visit www.M5Stack.com. At top, we found Explore and Navigate to download. Select the SAPI210X driver based on your computer operation system. Here we demonstrate for Windows version and click Download, Save. After download accomplished, unpress it. And double-click to install the driver just by click Next. Now I'll show you how to download the burner tool. Open up the browser and type in flow.m5stack.com. Click the menu on the top right and Setting. Here we choose the M5 burner depending on your computer operation system and click Download. After it's down, unpress it. Double-click the M5 burner.exe file. After run this burner tool, we connect the M5 core to your computer with USB cable. Now you get to choose the COM port number. If you have multiple USB devices connected to your computer and you don't know which COM is associated to your M5, you can open up the device manager to check it. Here we can see the COM number. I have to choose the right COM port. Now it comes to the bound rate. We recommend using 9.2.1600 and 1.1.5.2.0.0. It is regarded as the downloading speed. Now we're going to select the firmware version. We have a list of firmwares in the M5 burner, Chinese and English version. For different devices, please choose the latest version based on your M5. If it is the first time you're doing this, we suggest erase the flash first. Well, if the device you have already got the Wi-Fi configured, then you don't have to do the erase because it will clean the Wi-Fi configuration info, which is already saved on the memory. And then we can click Burn to start download. If it's stuck, don't get confused. Your computer is downloading the firmware in silence. All you need to do is just be patient, and the firmware would be successfully downloaded to your M5 device once it shows Stay in bootloader. Let's go back to UFlow page. On top left, we can see the UFlow version information. This version number is associated to the M5 firmware version. The latest firmware will be released on M5 burner. By following the step above, you can upgrade the newest firmware for your M5.